And obviously, the further ahead you can prepare and plan, the better. Now, for me, I've purposely, for the first time in my life, not planned a whole year in advance because I'm in the tech space, because I'm in the AI and automation space. It changes way too quickly for me to be able to prescribe the whole year in advance anymore, unfortunately. And it's really hurting me because I like to be very planned. But for you, if you are not in a high moving, high changing space like tech and AI, I would strongly recommend you plan the entire 12 months in advance, because the longer you do your marketing for each of these individual workshops, more on that in a moment, the more members you're going to bring into your membership over the next 12 months. Your individual workshops, and I'm going to call them workshops. It might be Q&A sessions, it might be an event, it might, whatever it is that you're doing in your membership. What I'm suggesting here is that each one becomes its own marketing. All right, each thing that you're delivering in the membership, you don't just promote to members, you promote publicly. So I will, for instance, tell everyone that I've got an upcoming training on how to make a membership. All right, next month I'm running this training on how to make a membership. How do you access that? Well, you can pay $150 just to come to this workshop, or you can join my membership and you get access not just to this workshop, but everything else in there as well. So there's this incentive for people to join the membership. When today's workshop is over, how to make a membership, I will do a big promotion to everybody publicly who are not members, saying, today I filmed a really cool workshop for my Legends Lab members called XYZ. Here are all the things we covered. Oh no, got FOMO? Don't worry, we recorded it and it's inside the Legends Lab. Come and join us too, and you can access this recording and all of the other workshops that are in there too. See how this works? I literally use what I'm doing in the membership to promote the membership. It becomes this self-fulfilling system where you don't have to redo and reproduce the work. Guess what else I do to market my membership is I take snippets of these workshops. Some of you might be watching one right now, and I send out those snippets across my social media of me teaching in my Legends Lab Mastermind workshops. And I then have a caption that says, this is just a snippet from the XYZ workshop from my Legends Lab. If you want to watch the whole recording, come and join us here. So how we make this work? Whatever we're doing, we make work for us to promote the very thing that we're doing the work in. Oh, it's like a little tongue twister, isn't it? What we have done is we've used the ChatGPT prompt to create a plan, a name, main outcome, who the audience is, and what our journey for the next 12 months is going to look like. Now, the other thing we can choose to do if we want to, this is not a requirement, but an optional thing, is you can now go into ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to create for you an infographic map that shows people that journey that they are going to go on. So as an example, here's one of mine from 2022, back when it was called the Edupreneur Academy. So I, again, had exactly this model. It was a table like this of what all the live workshops were going to be. And I literally back then I had to pay a human being, I think about $1,000 for this. It was quite expensive, but I got this infographic made where here's the workshops in January, here's the workshops in February. I know this is very small and you can't see it clearly, but I just want you to get the point. I took them on a journey. Here's what they're going to do in March. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Here's what they're going to do in April. Here's what we're going to cover in May. So this infographic actually increased my signups by 300% that year by adding a picture instead of just the calendar on the sales page. It's amazing what can happen when people see the journey they're going to go on and there is structure and can see the value of what they're going to learn. They do increase the conversion rates on your sales page of people joining the membership. So how do you do that? Glad you asked. I'll just show you another one that I threw together for demonstration's sake this morning. Not as good, don't love it as much, but I gave it the Legends Lab and I said, make a laboratory style journey infographic with everything I cover in the Legends Lab. Now that's just way too chaotic for me, but it's just an example. So I thought I'd keep it in there as an example's sake.